Friends, have you ever wondered? In this world, the number of people is increasing day by day. But if food, water, resources, minerals, or land do not increase in the same proportion, what will happen? Exactly this question was asked by an English economist named Thomas Robert Malthus. The year was 1798. And in this context he wrote his famous book, An Essay on the Principle of Population. In this book, he introduced a revolutionary theory on population growth, which is still extremely relevant and important in the study of population. Malthus said that the rate of population growth and the rate of food production can never be equal. To explain this, he stated that population grows geometrically. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Whereas food production grows only arithmetically. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This means the number of people increases much faster than the supply of food. As a result, at some point population exceeds the food supply, creating a situation of imbalance. This imbalance leads to poverty, hunger, famine, epidemics, and wars. According to Malthus, these are nature's own ways of controlling excessive population growth. Malthus mentioned two types of population checks in his theory. 1. Preventive checks. These are the methods by which humans voluntarily control population growth. Examples: late marriage, small family norm, family planning and population control measures. 2. Positive checks. If humans do not control population voluntarily, then nature controls it through harsh means. Examples: famine, war, epidemics. Now let's take a look at how Malthus' theory has been criticized over time. Many critics argue that Malthus completely ignored the role of scientific progress in his theory. Today, with the use of chemical fertilizers, pesticides, advanced agricultural machinery, and high-yielding seeds, food production has increased many times over. As a result, Malthus' idea of a fixed mathematical limit, the so-called point of food crisis, simply doesn't apply anymore. Some say Malthus' theory is outdated, because he overlooked technology and industrialization. Even if minerals or natural resources are limited, technology can create new resource alternatives. Through recycling and reuse, resources can be made to last much longer, something Malthus did not consider at all. In today's world, Malthus' theory becomes even less acceptable because population growth rates are steadily declining across many countries. The major reasons behind this decline are advances in healthcare, education, women's empowerment, public awareness. Because of these factors, the global population growth graph today is actually moving downward. Some critics also feel that Malthus' theory reflects a certain capitalist mindset. Many claim that Malthus was primarily worried about the growing number of poor people, fearing that they might one day share the wealth of the rich. In the end, we can say that many of Malthus' predictions did not come true. He had predicted severe famines in the 19th and 20th centuries. But due to technological progress and agricultural development, the world is still producing food, and producing it at an even faster rate. Yes, modern science and technology have proven many of his ideas wrong. Yet, when we look at today's troubling issues, environmental pollution, energy crises, climate change, loss of biodiversity, a thought quietly crosses our mind. What if, just maybe, Malthus wasn't entirely wrong? Perhaps nature itself is beginning to regulate the world's population in its own harsh ways. So friends, what do you think? How relevant is Malthus' theory in today's modern world? Do share your thoughts in the comments. That's all for today. Goodbye.